everybody, this is day 4 of our road trip motorcycle ride from Chiang Mai to Bangkok, and we are here in Wat Avasa ruin, and it's pretty nice, very old stuff. It says it's been like 16th century, and let me show you some footage here. Carelessly, like over here. Let's get up here and let's see what's in there. Woohoo! Wait a minute. So this is all the UNESCO ruin site, and our next stop is Chao. So that's all for the ruin part, and our next stop is Chao River Bridge, and let's go. And we are here in our second stop for the day, and we are here in Pasan Chao Phraya River, one river that splits into two like your heart. And that's the beginning of the Chao Phraya River. And Chao Phraya River is a new landmark of Pak Nampu, and it is located in the area of Lim Koyom, and it's very beautiful, and the view is nice, and it's a nice place to visit if you are here. And we have arrived for our third stop for the day. We are here in Ban Hun Lik, or the house of metal robots. And the robots and fictional characters here are made of metal and rubber from the tires. And as you can see here, Bumblebee 10 feet tall, and the other side is Optimum Prime. And they have a car made of steel. This is very nice, and also very hot inside. Nami is hot, but the weather, it's pretty nice, very realistic, huh? This is the inside of the car. The artist of this thing is very, very talented. Salute to you. You did an amazing job. And that's it for our trip for the day, and I hope to see you guys in my next video, and thank you so much for watching. Mwah.